This video is dedicated to the governance system of Graviton. It aims to explain how to vote with GTON, the governance token, for approving or rejecting a certain governance proposal for the Graviton system. Please note that before attempting to vote, you should make sure that you have at least one GTON on your governance balance. Let's start from the dashboard, which is a place that brings together all the products of Graviton. First, let's find the voting portal and click on Go to Governance. Now, before we interact with the system in any way, we should first connect our MetaMask. Graviton's governance is fully based on Phantom, so make sure that your network in MetaMask is switched to Phantom Opera mainnet. As you can see on this page, there are 3 votings, and one of those is currently active, and 2 have already been finished. In order to see the active voting and learn about the proposal that is being put forward, simply click on the Vote button. This page provides detailed information about the proposal, including its short description, the details, and a link to the forum thread. We highly recommend you to visit the forum before deciding on the option that you want to support, because those forum threads are usually very informative and contain valuable discussions between the token holders and the team. If you scroll down below, you can see 2 different options that you can vote for, either accepting the proposal fully or rejecting it. Essentially, the option that receives the most locked GTON by the end of the voting period wins. Now, as an example, let's try to vote for accepting this proposal. To do so, let's click on the Vote button. You can see that we own some governance balance available for voting that we can use up for this option. Let's try to vote with 1 GTON. Now, when we click Vote, one of the neat features of GTON governance is that Graviton pays the transaction fees in the native token for you, meaning that you don't have to obtain FTM beforehand. The processing of your vote, which includes the payment of fees, usually takes up to 20 seconds, and you should not close your tab for the entire duration of processing until you have your MetaMask window pop up to confirm the transaction. Now, let's click on Confirm. Wait some more. And finally, it says that your voting transaction is accepted. So in total, because the fees are being paid by the system, you have 5 attempts at a voting transaction for each proposal, either casting a vote or removing it. You can always also add some more votes if you have some available GTON on your governance balance. So if we change our mind about our decision on the proposal, we can try to remove our vote. Let's do it right now. It works in a similar fashion. Since we voted with 1 GTON, let's enter 1 GTON here in this field and press on Remove Votes. Now, a similar process should launch again. We're just waiting for about 20 seconds without closing our tab, and the MetaMask window should pop up soon for us to confirm the transaction. Is here, so let's click on Confirm. And voila, it's done. The votes have been removed. We hope that this video is helpful in understanding how to participate in Graviton governance. Thank you for your attention.